Let's get your Rogers Home Internet up and running. The central piece of equipment is the Ignite Gateway, a combination modem and router. For initial setup, a Rogers technician typically handles the hardware installation. For cable internet, they connect a coaxial cable. For fiber to the home, they connect a fiber optic cable. Once connected to power, wait for the gateway's light to turn white, indicating it's ready. For cable, plug an Ethernet cable from the gateway to your computer for initial activation. Then visit ignitewifi.com or use the Rogers Ignite app to activate using your account credentials. If you have fiber, ensure the ONT optical network terminal is properly connected. As a crucial security step, immediately change the default password and enable WPA3 encryption. Do this via the app or web interface at 192.168.1. Rogers Ignite gateways support dual-band Wi-Fi with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, or tri-band with an additional 6 GHz band on newer models featuring Wi-Fi 7 technology. To configure your Wi-Fi, use the Rogers Ignite app available on iOS and Android, or access the gateway's web interface at 192.168.0.1. The app offers advanced features like enabling guest networks for visitors, setting up parental controls to manage children's access, and prioritizing devices, such as giving gaming consoles more bandwidth. You can run speed tests to check your connection, monitor data usage, troubleshoot common issues, and on newer gateways, benefit from AI-driven optimization that automatically adjusts settings for better performance. For better coverage throughout your home, pair Ignite pods, which are Wi-Fi extenders, directly through the app to eliminate dead zones. Finally, place your gateway in a central, elevated location away from walls, metal objects, and sources of interference like microwaves or cordless phones to ensure optimal signal strength.